I'm Shab, I'm 30 years old, and I rebuilt my body from scratch using nothing but calisthenics. That means no gym membership, no expensive machines, no complicated equipment, just me, the floor, and a solid plan. When I say from scratch, I truly mean it. Before all this, my body felt like it was borrowed from someone twice my age. I was stiff, constantly weak, and simple things like carrying groceries up a flight of stairs would leave me completely out of breath. The real reality check, the moment that hit me hard, was almost comical. I got down on the floor one day and tried to do a single push-up, just one. My body basically said, "Not today, sir." My arms wobbled, my core gave out, and I just sort of collapsed. It wasn't just a fail, it was a clear signal that something fundamental had to change. That's the moment I realized my old approach was broken. I was always waiting for a burst of motivation to strike like lightning. But motivation is unreliable. It comes and goes. What you really need isn't motivation, it's a system, a repeatable plan that works even on the days you don't feel like it. So I built one. The rules were incredibly simple, just 15 minutes, 3 times a week. No excuses. I did it at the same time in the same corner of my living room to make it an automatic habit. But here's the real secret, the thing that made it all stick. I scaled everything. I gave myself permission to make things easier. That failed push-up, I didn't try to force it. Instead, I started doing incline push-ups against my kitchen counter. It was a version I could actually do, a version I could win at. If a move felt too hard, I found a simpler variation. My entire starting routine was built on this principle. Just 3 moves, those incline push-ups for my upper body, basic bodyweight squats for my legs, and an exercise called dead bugs to start building core stability from the ground up. That was it, my starter trio. That first week was awkward. My movements were shaky, my balance was off, and I felt clumsy. But I stuck to the plan. 15 minutes, 3 times. The most important thing I did wasn't a perfect rep. It was just showing up. And that act of showing up, of honoring that small commitment to myself, is what changed absolutely everything. By the end of that first week, my form was already a little cleaner, a little smoother. I was building real momentum. The results didn't take months to appear. The first win was in daily life. Suddenly, carrying the laundry basket didn't feel like a chore. Taking the stairs felt easy. My posture started to improve without me even thinking about it. The second win was mobility. The constant feeling of being locked up in my own body started to disappear. My hips, my shoulders, my back, they all just felt looser, more open. And the third win was my endurance. I was getting less winded because calisthenics makes your entire body work together as a single unit. But the biggest surprise, the thing I never expected, was the change in my confidence. It wasn't about how I looked in the mirror, not at first. It was about the simple fact that I was keeping promises to myself. Every time I finished one of those 15-minute sessions, it was like putting a deposit in a bank account for self-trust. That feeling is more powerful than any physical change. At Quick Healthy Lifestyle, that's exactly what we believe in. We believe that small, consistent changes create massive results over time. We're here to give you simple, effective strategies that actually fit into your life so you can build a healthier, more successful future. We'll do it together, day by day, step by step. So, if you're ready to start building your body from scratch, I want you to comment "Start" below. I'll send you my exact beginner routine. And while you're at it, tell me, push-ups or squats, which one is the bigger challenge for you right now?